Hi, this is Advocate Lucinda, your empowerment lawyer. We're going to pick up from last week. We were talking about how to file an employment discrimination lawsuit. And it starts with a discrimination charge. Here's a sample of a charge of discrimination that EEOC uses. You would check the EEOC box because it will be filed with EEOC. Check the FEPA box if you're filing a charge on the state and federal level. And you would put the state agency name here. Include your name, your home phone, date of birth, street address. For the employer, for the company that you worked for or you're currently working for, you want to include the name, the number of employees that works for the company. Most employers with at least 15 employees are covered by the EEOC laws. 20 employees if it is an age discrimination case. Complete the phone number, the street address. This discrimination-based, make sure you check each box that is applicable. Other would include a matter such as harassment, sexual harassment, hostile work environment, or a discriminatory act that is not listed in this page. Be sure to list the earliest date the discrimination act happened and the latest date the discrimination action happened. If the discrimination is ongoing, continuing, check this box. Now, it's important that you write out the particulars. Be specific here. You need to cite the law that has been violated. Include the issues, the relevant facts that will assist EEOC in investigating your case. Remember, EEOC can only go by what you provide to them. So be specific, be succinct, be complete. If you need to add an additional sheet, you can do so. Once you have completed this document, ensure that it is accurate and complete. Sign it at the bottom and date it. When to file the charge? Within 180 calendar days from the date the discrimination took place. The deadline could be extended to 300 calendar days. Depending on the claim, the deadline could be different. Federal employees and job applicants may have different deadlines. Some claims do not require that a charge be filed at all. For more information, go to the site I provided below. Where to file the charge? At the EEOC public portal. Or you can do it in person. Check out the EEOC office at this website and find out the location near you. The Fair Employment Practices Agencies. We just spoke about the FEPA, and again, where you will file a charge both on the federal and the state level. It's called dual filing, and you can get clarification from EEOC on that. By telephone, by mail. For more information on FEPA, you can go to the website I provided at the bottom. What happens next? Well, once the charge has been filed with the EEOC, it will notify the employer of the discrimination charge. It will investigate the charge to determine if reasonable cause exists. Where reasonable cause is found, EEOC could represent the charging party or recommend mediation or settlement. At the end of the investigation, EEOC will issue a right to sue letter. For more information on EEOC timelines, you can go to the site that I provided below. The right to sue letter. You can request a letter from EEOC after 180 days from the time the charge was filed. If not, EEOC will notify you and let you know it was not able to complete the investigation within 180 days. Now, don't ask for the letter if you want EEOC to continue the investigation. This is important because once the letter has been issued, the clock starts ticking and you have 90 days from issuance of the letter to file your lawsuit in federal court. Well, that's it. Next week, we're going to talk about laws, facts, and issues. We'll see you then.